Hi boys and girls, happy Thursday. It's great to be with you today. Let's start out by singing our good morning song together. So can we put our hands in the air and we'll start in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, hello, 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 how are you? Oh, hello, 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 how are you? I'm glad you came today. We will learn to work and play. Oh, hello, 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 how are you? What a great job. Today, boys and girls, is Thursday. Can you help me to read that word? Thursday. Thursday begins with the letter T, and T says t, t, t. You're very right. But when it's next to the letter H and they're hugging each other, it makes a different sound. You stick out your tongue a little bit and you say Thursday. So let's try it one more time. Thursday. Great job. And I'm going to put that up on my 2 white strips. Remember, we're in the brand new month, boys and girls. It's the brand new month of December. And we're looking for the number that comes after the number 3. So why don't we count to get there to see what we know? Okay, here we go. We're going to start at number 1. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. Great counting. And can you show me 3 fingers that says 3? I love it. All right, I have 2 cards here. I'm going to show you one of them. You're going to tell me if it's number 3 or not. No. What's the name of that number? It's a fancy 4. You're very right. We don't need it today. We will need it tomorrow. Hi. How about this one? Ding, ding, ding. On our nosies. Ding, ding, ding. This is the number 3. What a great job. So today is Thursday, December 3rd, and now I know it's time for our number sentence and our 7 days of the week song. So we need 1 whole hand, high five, plus 2 bunny ears, or your first finger and your thumb. They equal 7. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll start together in 3, in 2, in 1. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Before we say good morning to Elmo, boys and girls, let's look at our Santa countdown sheet. Yesterday was the 2nd day, number 2, in the month of December. So I got to color another line. I've colored 1 and I've colored 2. Today is number 3 day. So I'm going to find the number 3, there it is right there, and I get to color this line red. Remember, boys and girls, the redder Santa's beard gets, the closer to Christmas we get. So as we go along with our days, we'll be coloring in another line, another line, another line, until we get to this magic number right here, and it's number 25. When his whole beard is red, it's Christmas Day. It's a very fun way to kind of count down so you can see how close we are to Christmas. Now we can say good morning to Elmo. Good morning, Elmo. So I see lots of clouds in the sky, boys and girls. Can I put the sun up in the sky? I sure can, because it's not nighttime, is it? It's daytime, and the sun is always in the sky in the daytime. Sometimes you just can't see it though, because the sun and the clouds like to play peekaboo. You're very right. I think Elmo is very chilly because there is snow on the ground and it is kind of cold. So let's get him dressed. His pants are the color blue. His shirt is purple. His shoes are the color black. Good job. I'll put one on one foot and one on the other foot. We'll count the buttons on Elmo's winter jacket, starting right here. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 4 buttons on his winter jacket. Good job. He also has a hat, and this hat protects his head from the cold, and it is the color brown. You're very right. It's the color brown. And now, boys and girls, I also have clouds to count. And we're going to put them right straight away into a pattern, okay? We're going to put them right straight away into a pattern. And I think my pattern will be white, gray, white, gray. Can you help me to say our pattern? Before we do that, though, what's a pattern? What's its job? Its job is to repeat itself, right? Over and over and over again. And if we don't repeat it over and over again, what do we do to it? We break it. You're very right. Let's hope Mrs. Miller doesn't break it. Look what I found. Elmo's mittens. That might be a good choice today, right, friends? That might be a good choice for Elmo's hands to keep them so nice and warm. I would agree. All right, here we go. White, gray. White, gray. White, gray. White, gray. What's next? White, gray. What's next? White. Uh-oh. What happens now? If I put this one here, what happens? We broke it. We don't want to break our pattern, do we? So I'm going to take this white one and take it away for a minute. And then, how did we do with our pattern? Did we repeat ourselves over and over and over again? Ding, ding, ding. We sure did. White, gray, white, gray, white, gray, white, gray, white. What a great job. Because it is a little bit cold out and I wanted to do some counting, look what I have. I have mittens to count. So we are going to count pretty much for a long time, okay? Because do I have a lot of mittens here or just a few? I have a lot of mittens here, so we'll be counting for a little bit. So I want you to take a nice big breath, and we start with number 1 in 3, in 2, in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, kiss your brains. That was fabulous, friends. You counted all the way to 12. All right, now we're going to play a little game. I'm going to point to one of my gloves or my mittens, and I want you to tell me the number, the name of the number that is on it, okay? So let's start here. 2, you're very right. How about this one? 5, yep. 1, 4, let's get tricky. 10, 7, circles at the bottom. 6, you're very right. If the circle's at the top, number 9. 6, 9. We haven't really reviewed these two numbers yet. This number says 11. A 1 and a 1 next to each other is 11. A 1 and a 2 next to each other is 12. So this is 11 and this is 12. How about that number? 4, 3, let's do a little countdown. 2, 1. What a great job. Thank you, friends. So today we're talking about teddy bears, boys and girls. I hope you have one to cuddle while we talk about teddy bears today. Mrs. Miller has a little one that I like to cuddle when we have Teddy Bear Day. We're going to do a fun little positional term game, and then we're going to do some sorting, and I'm going to show you how to make a bear cake, okay? Maybe we might even go on a bear hunt today, okay? So if you have your teddy ready, put your teddy on your head, on your head. Put your teddy on your head, on your head. Put your teddy on your head. Tell me, is he green or red? Put your teddy on your head, on your head. Put your teddy on your lap, on your lap. Put your teddy on your lap, on your lap. Put your teddy on your lap. Put your teddy on your lap. Put your teddy on your lap, on your lap. Put your teddy next to you, next to you. Put your teddy next to you, next to you. Put your teddy next to you and leave him a day or two. Put your teddy next to you, next to you. Put your teddy behind you, behind you. Put your teddy behind you, behind you. Put your teddy behind you and leave him a day or two. Put your teddy behind you, behind you. Ooh, I'll go get you. Put your teddy under you, under you. Put your teddy under you, under you. Put your teddy under you and leave him a day or two. Put your teddy behind you, behind you. Put your teddy on your knees, on your knees. Put your teddy on your knees, on your knees. Put your teddy on your knees. Put your teddy on your knees. Put your teddy on your knees, on your knees. Put your teddy on your stomach, on your stomach. That's your tummy. Put your teddy on your stomach, on your stomach. Put your teddy on your stomach. Put your teddy on your stomach. Put your teddy on your stomach, on your stomach. How about one more? Put your teddy on your shoulder, on your shoulder. Put your teddy on your shoulder, on your shoulder. Put your teddy on your shoulder. Put your teddy on your shoulder. Put your teddy on your shoulder, on your shoulder. I'm going to put my teddy down for a minute because I have something fun to show you. Mrs. Miller has her teddy bear counters. Some of them are also little bunnies. Most of them are teddies. I think I have a pig in here too. I want to sort these guys into groups that are the same. But before I do that, I want to know how many I have. So for Mrs. Miller, I like to line up whatever I'm counting and use my pointer finger and point and count each object. It makes it a little easier to keep track, okay? So I'm going to line them up. Okay, I got a big teddy bear here. Whoa, Zoe. I'll line them up. Okay, and I'm going to use my pointer finger. I'm going to start right here, and we're going to count to see how many animals, how many teddy bears we have. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 teddy bears. Just like we counted 12 mittens, we have 12 teddy bears. Now I'm going to mix them all up. Mixing them all up. I'm going to lay them on my tray. I have 4 cups. I have a green cup. I have a red cup. I have a blue cup. And I have a yellow cup. I want to sort them into groups that are the same. So I'm going to pick up this teddy bear right here. What color is he? Yellow. So I have to look for my yellow cup, and he goes in that cup, okay? How about this one? This teddy bear is red. You're right. So could he go in the blue cup? No, no. Blue and red, that would not be a match. That's not the same. How about right here? Red and red, it's the same. How about right here? That color is green. Can he go in here? He sure can. How about blue? You're right. Blue, blue. All right, here we go. So you're going to tell me what cup I need to put my teddy bears in, okay? Yellow. Good job. Blue. Green. Good job. Red. Yellow. Red again. Green. And red. There are no more teddy bears on my tray. That means we've sorted them all into groups that are the same. There's all the green. There's all the red. There's all the blue. And there's all the yellow. What a great job. Thank you, friends. That was great sorting. All right. So before we read a fun story and I show you how to make a bear cave, I thought it would be fun to go on a bear hunt. I don't think we've done this in this class yet, but you're going to do some fun things. You're going to pretend to go in a bear cave with Mrs. Miller. It's one of our favorite ones that we do. So here we go. Let's
Soulmate
see.
is connected.
Let's find going on a bear hunt.
Hey everybody, we're going on a bear hunt. Are you afraid?
I'm not afraid. Here we go.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
Take pictures with my camera.
Take pictures with my camera.
Open up the door, squeak.
Open up the door, squeak.
Walk down the road.
Walk down the road.
Coming
Coming to a wheat field.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Have to walk through it.
Have to walk through it. Ready? I think we made it. We did it.
Got through the wheat field.
Got through the wheat field.
Coming to a bridge.
Coming to a bridge.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Have to walk over it.
Have to walk over it. So here we go. We're walking over the bridge. It's a very long bridge. I think we made it again.
Got over the bridge.
Got over the bridge.
Coming to a tree.
Coming to a tree.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Guess we'll have to climb it.
I guess we'll have to climb it.
Climb to the top.
Right. Here we go. That's such a tall tree.
Do you see a bear?
Do you see a bear?
No.
Sign language, no. No.
Let's climb down.
Let's climb down. Here we go. Very tall tree.
Coming to a river.
Coming to a river.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't fly over it.
Can't fly over it.
Let's get in the boat.
Let's get in the. We're gonna row.
Got across the river.
Got across the river.
Coming to a cave.
Coming to a cave.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Tiptoe inside.
Tiptoe inside.
It's dark in
So
here.
dark.
It's dark in
Is anyone around?
here. Is anyone around?
I see two eyes
I see two
and a
eyes.
big furry body.
Like our little teddy bear.
Furry body.
Let's take a
Get our cameras out.
picture.
We want to take a picture of this.
A picture.
And now we're gonna run.
It's a bear.
Here we go. Let's run.
It's a bear.
So fast.
Back to the river.
Back to the river. Ready?
Row the boat
Row,
across.
row, 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 as fast as you can.
Run to the tree.
Back to the tree.
Climb up.
Climb up.
Climb down.
Keep running.
Run to the bridge.
Run to the bridge.
Cross it.
Crossing, 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 crossing.
Run through the wheat field. Run down the road.
Run down the road.
Open up the door. Squeak. And close it. We made it.
We
We
made
made it.
Hey everybody.
it.
Let's go on a bear hunt.
Are you
Are you afraid?
I'm
I'm
not
not
afraid.
It's fun. It's fun to go on a bear hunt in a cave. And I want to teach you how to make a cave. I bet mommies and daddies have this at home. Just a brown paper grocery bag. Now, when we do it at school, there's a couple of things that we have to do. We have to open up our bag. Now, this would be a mommy or daddy job because they would have to use scissors for this job. Your job would get to be to decorate the bag, okay? Or the cave, because we're gonna turn this bag into a bear cave, okay? I'm gonna take my scissors, being very, very careful. Remember, this is a mommy and daddy job, okay? And I'm gonna cut it like a door. I'm gonna cut like a door. I'm gonna go all the way around. Almost looks like a really long U shape, okay? All the way around. And that's what it would look like. That's what you would be cutting out, okay? Once we've done that job, boys and girls, we're gonna have mommies and daddies fold it and then just fold the bottom part over, okay? Just fold it over a little bit. And then a mommy or daddy job would be to staple it, okay? To keep it down. I don't think glue would hold it. We're gonna staple it, okay? So we'll staple this one, and then we'll staple this one, okay? Then we're gonna open up the bag, and now you have a bear cave. And you can take paint or markers, anything you would like, and you can decorate the cave to look like anything you would want it to look like. And then when you would be done, you can take your teddy bear, give him a little hug, and say nighty night, and you can put your teddy bear right in his bear cave. He's got his little head sticking right up. Okay, I should staple this one down too. Okay? So this is a fun thing that you can make at home with mommy and daddy. I want you to remember though, this scissor job is a mommy, daddy, grown-up job, okay? As is the stapler, okay? That's their job as well too, okay? So I'm gonna set this down right here. Hopefully you'll get to make one real soon, okay? I have a story to share with you. It's about a big teddy bear, and the opposite of big would be a little teddy bear. And it's about the people that love their teddy bears, okay? People are things that love their teddy bears. And I'm just looking at it now, I'm hoping it's all in the right order. Here we go, it's called, Where's My Teddy? Here we go. Eddie's off to find his teddy. Eddie's teddy's name is Freddie. So it's gonna be a little tricky to see. There he is, that's Eddie. And he's off to find his friend, Freddie, who's the teddy who he can't find. He's lost him in the woods somewhere. It's dark and horrible in there. Help, said Eddie. I'm scared already. I want my bed. I want my teddy. It's gonna be tricky to look for him in that big forest. He tiptoed on and on until something made him stop quite still. Look out, he thought, there's something there. What's that? Can you see how afraid he is? He's not sure what that noise is. A giant teddy bear! Can you see how much bigger the teddy bear is than our friend Freddie? Is it Freddie's, or our friend Eddie? Is it Freddie, said Eddie. What a surprise. How did you get to be this size? So he's thinking that his teddy grew. Can that happen, do you think? In our imaginations, it sure can. You're too big to huddle and cuddle, he said, and I'll never fit both of us into my bed. He's sitting on him thinking about that, thinking about what he could do. Then out of the darkness, clearer and clearer, the sound of sobbing came nearer and nearer. Do you know what it means to sob? To cry. You're very sad. Soon the whole woods could hear the voice bawl. How did you get to be tiny and small? You're too small to huddle and cuddle, it said. You'll only get lost in my giant-sized bed. So somebody has a very small teddy. Somebody or something has a very small teddy. Look, our friend is hiding. He's not sure what he's about to see. What's he about to see? Whoa, it was a gigantic bear and a tiny teddy stomping forward. Can you see the tiny? Who do you think that is? I think that might be Freddie, right? I think that might be Freddie. The giant teddy and Eddie. Oh my goodness. My Ted, gasped the bear. A bear, screamed Eddie. A boy, yelled the bear. My teddy, cried Eddie. Look, he's got his bear now, and look what's happening to our little friend. I think like he's gonna fall right into his arms. Then they ran and they ran through the dark woods back to their houses as fast as they could, all the way back to their snuggly beds where they huddled and cuddled in their own little beds. Look how cozy is he, and how cozy is Eddie and Freddie. The end. That's a good one, isn't it, friends? I like that one. Before we go, Mrs. Miller would like to just review our shapes real quick. I'm gonna write them on our board, and then you're going to guess which one I'm going to erase next, okay? Circle. If I stretch out that circle, I'm gonna make a oval. 4 sides, 4 points, all the same. Square. Stretch that guy out to make a rectangle. Mrs. Miller's favorite, rhombus. How about we all love this, a heart, a star, and there's one more I'm missing. Can you guess? It has 3 sides and 3 points. Triangle. Great job. All right, I am going to erase the one that has 4 sides and 4 points that are all the same. What's the name of that guy? Square. Good job. Now I'm going to erase the one that looks like a square, but I'm stretching it out to make a rectangle. So we're saying bye-bye to the rectangle. I'm going to erase the one now that is so very round and it's just one line. It's a circle, circle. And if I stretch them out, I'm going to erase the one that I've stretched out into an oval. Good job. I'm going to erase the one now that has 3 sides and 3 points. Starts with the letter T, triangle. Good job. I'm going to erase this guy, star. I'm going to erase this guy, heart. What's my favorite one? Rhombus. What else can we call a rhombus? A diamond, you're very right. What does Mrs. Miller like to call it? A rhombus, you got it. Good job, friends. All right, I hope all of my friends have a wonderful weekend. I hope you get a chance to make your bear cave, and I hope you had a lot of fun going on our bear hunt together. You did some great counting and some great sorting today. I will see you on Tuesday. So let's put our hands in the air to sing our goodbye song in 3, in 2, in 1. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Give a smile and a wave. We will see you another day. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to all my friends. I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.